How to set up a home page in WordPress. Hey beauty people, welcome back to this video. In this video I am going to show you how you can set up a home page in WordPress or how you can assign a home page. So before get started, if you new here, please consider to subscribe my channel and like the video. So first go to your WordPress dashboard. On the left panel, hover over the pages, click on add new page. Now here enter the page name. Now on the top right corner, click on publish. Now let's see the pages. Okay, now let's go back to our WordPress dashboard. Now hover over the settings and then click on reading. Now select this static page, select below home page. Now scroll down and then click on save changes. And there you go. So this is our home page now, and that's how you can assign a home page from your settings. Hope that this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.